So just wanted to throw in some quick additional information here. So with the original smaller turbo that I started with 4.8 pounds of boost, it ended up making 257 wheel horsepower. Now this turbo here with a slightly larger turbine wheel on it made about a half a pound of boost more, but made nearly 20 horsepower more. Now I think that's pretty excessive. I don't know if it was a random dyno freak out moment or what, but I wasn't able to keep testing past this video because the chain actually started coming apart. Coming up here in a second, you'll see pictures. The rollers on the chain actually started breaking off, and actually one came up and hit my leg. So once I put a new chain and sprocket on it, or sprockets rather, we'll get it back on the dyno and make some more pulls and see if it's consistently making that much power, or if it's making more or less, or what. But be interesting to see what it does.